So over here, you can see this particular ID right here. If you were to go ahead and send an invite, then the other person will simply get an invitation to accept to access your computer. But if you want them to send the request, then you can simply share this particular number right here. That is my address right here. Once they go ahead and enter it out on their address bar like this and connect it, you will get your connection request. So let me just go around over here, and let's say, for example, from another computer, it is asking for access. Then this is what you have, as you can see. So here you can see it says, like, this user right here, this number would like to view your desk. You can go ahead right here and just select out screen sharing, give them full restart, unattended access, and so forth right here. So let me just go ahead and click on default right here, just like this. You can even go ahead and then message them out as you like right here, so that you can go ahead and chat with them as well. So now I'm going to go ahead and click on accept, let's say, for instance. Then what happens is that the other user now right here, you can see the green mouse right here, just like this, they will be able to go ahead and access it out as well. And if you were to let go of your mouse, now they will simply be able to use your main mouse right here to go ahead and take control of your computer, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and accept out a remote connection request as necessary inside of AnyDesk. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.